Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you the best dropshipping suppliers in Europe. Alright, but before we begin, let me first tell you on why having a local dropshipping supplier is important. It is because it would allow you for faster shipping times, lower shipping costs, and reduced risk of shipping issues compared to international suppliers. Additionally, it enables better customer service and supports the local economy while also offering flexibility in product customization and branding. Overall, local suppliers provide significant advantages that contribute to the success and efficiency of dropshipping operations. Alright, so now let's move on to the first supplier that we have, and that is Mercury Living. So Mercury Living is basically in the patio, lawn, garden, and furniture niche, and you can see the contact details on the left side of your screen. And this website is SSL secured, which means you don't have to worry about the security of your information. And Mercury Living has been around for 3 years already. And their shipping time is also fast, which is 1 to 7 days. That would depend on where you are. So you can contact the Mercury Living using the information that we have provided on the left side of your screen so that you could know the shipping times depending on your location. And then when you go here, as you can see right here in their products, it is mostly on furnitures and so on right here for Mercury Living. And you can click here on the shop right here so that you would be able to see all the products and browse them. So yeah, from here you can judge if this would be the products that you want to sell on your dropshipping business right here. They have some gift cards and they have really good furnitures right here. Alright, so the next supplier that we have is Ruigar, and their website is swissruigar.com, and they are in the niche of travel bags right here, and their contact details is at the left side of your screen, or you can reach them out from there. And their website is also SSL secured, which means you don't have to worry about the security of your information in their website. And the Ruigar has been around for 7 years already, and they are based on Switzerland. And their shipping time is also fast. It is 3 to 5 days for domestic and 15 to 21 days for international. So you might want to take note on that. And then you can see their products right here. As you can see, these are some really great bags. These are its most popular products, or their most bestseller right here. This is $100. This is $94 and $109 right here. And yeah, you can reach them out from here and you can view their bags right here. They have their mega menu. You have your duffel bags, shoulder bags, and so on. So Ruigar would be a great place for you if you are into selling your bags right here for your dropshipping store. So yeah, you might want to check this out. Alright, so now let's move on to our next supplier, which is Gale. And their website is gale.eu, and then you can find their contact details at the left side of your screen. And their website is also SSL secured for your safety of your information. And they have been around already for 29 years, so you can rest assured that Gale has been proven and tested as a supplier for the jewelry niche. So you can trust this company right here in supplying your products. And then they are from Germany, which means that if you are currently selling on Europe, then the shipping times would be really fast. And their shipping time, as indicated, is 1 to 5 days. And they also accept international orders, but the shipping time from there would now vary. And not just that, their products here in Gale was also cheaper if you compare it to other platforms, online platforms just like Amazon and so on. And they also have some promos. For example, when you purchase, for example, $100 worth of jewelry, you would get a 3% discount and so on. But that would vary based from experience. So I suggest that you contact Gale and ask the customer service about the promos and so on right here. So now let's just check their catalog right here on the jewelries. As you can see right here, you have the show all additions right here. So you can see all the additions of the jewelries that has been added into Gale, and then you can see the gold right here, the silver, and so on with the carats and everything right here. So you can see their products if you're interested on jewelry niche on dropshipping. All right, so the last but not the least, the next supplier that we have is Helen Bellard. So this supplier is in the niche of fashion. And you can see their contact details at the left side of your screen. And then this website also has SSL security, and this has been around for 9 years already, which means it is proven and tested for a long time. And this is originating from Spain, and their shipping times is 1 to 10 days, or it might even increase if it is an international or so on. And not just that, they also accommodate drop shipping, wholesale, and manufacturers. So you can use the wholesale and manufacturers if you are planning on scaling your business. And they also ship worldwide, and they have special deals. All you have to do is contact them, and then you can say that you are a reseller, and they would give you some special deals for that. And they also do blind drop shipping. So what is blind drop shipping? They simply take off the brand of their product, and instead you can put your own brand, and that would give you a lot of potential on branding your product. And as you can see here on this website, you would have the samples of their work right here. This amazing dress right here, or this I think this one, yeah, this is a dress. And then you have some cute bracelets, and then some earrings right here, and some hair ties, and so on right here. So you can just browse their website right here, and then you can go for online shop, and then you would have a lot right here. They have their bags, kimonos, dresses, bench wears, and so on right here. I mean beach wears, and so on. And then you have your art gallery, about, and so on right here. All you have to do is go into helenbellard.com, and then you can go into their website. And then that is basically it on the best drop shipping suppliers on Europe. I have provided these suppliers because they have an evergreen niche, and I think that if you go for these suppliers, you would have a great chance on finding your winning product. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out.